Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the 8 little wheel location in Heartopia Call of Wheels event. Okay, for day 8, we need to find this blue splash wheel. And first, you're going to go to the Wheel Canyon, and then you're going to go to the Coral Way, and the blue splash wheel is here on the top of this coral, and then don't forget to take a picture of it. I'm going to take a photo, take it down, and then I'm going to show you the exact location, guys. You're going to go to this area at the Coral Way, specifically here, and then it's time to find the bubble. I'm gonna look for it. Okay, the bubble is here. I'm going to pop the bubble. Oh, it's moving. This is the bubble location, guys. You're going to go to this area and then pop the bubble. I'm waiting for it. Okay, the bubble is coming and I'm going to pop it. It's a little bit difficult, but just wait here. Okay. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the day 8 little wheel location in Heartopia Call of Wheels event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!